We gather for our commemoration today inside an earthquake survivor. The original wooden part of this church is 136 years old. The newer concrete part is 107 years old. Much damage was caused to the church by the 1931 earthquake. While repairs were being made, services were held in a tent on the vicarage lawn. In 1932, St Matthew's reopened, with the tower lowered by approximately 7 metres and the 4 central columns and roof arches rebuilt. So I imagine before the earthquake, this building was the mark on the landscape.
Devastating day, the two powerful shakes, just 30 seconds apart, caused despair and destruction which our country had never seen before from a natural disaster. We remember those families who lost their loved ones, those who were injured and survived that tragic day, and the months of hardship that followed. We remember the community who worked tirelessly together to help with the rescue, and those who were tasked to rebuild our town and district after this horrific event. As we recall the rebuild of Hastings 91 years ago, following New Zealand's strongest earthquake, we appreciate today the significance and importance of our men and women who rebuilt Hastings. They showed what a community can achieve when they care for each other. Their strength, resilience in the aftermath of this devastating earthquake ensured Hastings recovered and prospered. Because of their courage, determination, and generosity of spirit, we have a vibrant and prosperous city today. Ki kaha.